Good morning to all of you. This is Muva Prasad signing into DCB Suryapeta on live streaming classes. Good morning to all of you. This is Muva Prasad signing into DCB Suryapeta on live streaming classes. Now we are in the topic real numbers. Almost all comes to an end. This is a long journey which we have come across around more than 8 months, and today is the last class for our real numbers. Already the basic concepts of real numbers is given to you. That is regarding about the division algorithm, Euclidean algorithm theorem, finding the LCM and HCF of the questions. And next, how to prove an irrational number is also given to you. And basic concepts of logarithms is already explained to you, and a little bit of the questions which are remaining part in the last exercise of real numbers will be introduced by our Ashok sir today. So please go through the concept of our real numbers in logarithms last exercise. Ashok sir, please go through the concept.
So, thank you, sir. So, good morning, all of you. So, today is the 6th class and last class of real numbers. So, yesterday we have discussed different properties of logarithms. So, and we have converted from exponential form to a logarithmic form and logarithmic form into exponential form. Based on these, we have few sums in exercise 1.5, that is last exercise of first chapter. So we will continue from there. Now look at second question. Write the following expression as log n and find their values. So first question is log 2 plus log 5. Actually, the formula is log xy is equals to log x plus log y. So while writing as a single logarithm, you have to apply the formula from log x plus log y. If he gives, so you have to write as log xy. So in this way, log 2 plus log 5 is equals to, here x is 2 and y is 5. So that becomes log xy means log 2 into 5. So is equals to log 10. So log 10 value is 1. Why? Because here no base is given, so it is a common logarithm. Means it has base 10. So log 10 base 10 means its value is 1. Okay. So always mind this one. Log 10 is equals to 1. So log 2 plus log 5 value is equals to log 10, or its value is 1. Now look at the second sum. So log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. So log x minus log y means we can write as log x by y. So we are using the formula log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Whenever we require, so log x minus log y is equal to, you may write as log x by y. So it is equals to log 16 by 2. Okay, in place of x 16 is there, in place of y 2 is there. So log 16 by 2 means 8, log 8 base 2. Now I am writing 8 as 2 cube. 2 cube means, basing on this power rule formula, the power will be comes in front. So n into log x to the power log x base a, basing on that 3 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 means its value is 1. So the answer is 3. Okay. If you want to stop here, then the value will be log 8 base 2, because he asked to write the following expression as log n. So up to here, the problem answer will be closed. So if you want to find the value, so 8 can be written as 2 cube and so 3 into log 2 base 2 and log 2 base 2 value is 1. So finally the answer of this one is 3. Very simple questions. It comes in the part B section. Now fifth one, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so in order to write as a single logarithm, so here 2 into log 3 is there. Basing on this formula, the 2 will become 3 square. So n into log x base a means log x to the power of n. Okay, now log 10 plus log 3 square means log 9 minus log 2. So we are applying log x plus log y formula. Log x plus log y means you may write as log xy. So 10 into 9 means log 10 into 9 minus log 2. Now it is equals to 10 into 9, 90, log 90 minus log 2. Whatever the problem, we have only three formulas in this one, log xy, log x by y, and log x to the power of n. So in order to solve any problem, so use suitable formula whenever you require. So now it is log 90 minus log 2. So it is log x minus log y formula, that is equals to log x by y. So 90 by 2 means the answer is 90 by 2 means log 45. So the answer of this question is log 45. So please note all these in your fair notes and practice the sums whatever I left in the exercise or examples. Okay. Now, should I ask you a question? Does log 0 exist? Give reasons. So, did you get the answer? So, look at my answer. Does log 0 base 2 exist? Give reasons. So, I am writing as in exponential form. So, log 0 base 2 is equal to, I am assuming as x. So, in exponential form, it is 2 to the power of x equal to 0. Simply here the question is, for any value of x, will it be 0? So, let us see. For what value of x, 2 power x becomes 0. So, I am substituting for x equal to 0. Means 2 to the power of 0 equal to 1. So, I am writing for x is equal to 1. So, 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. For x is equal to 2, its value will be 4. So, we need 0, but the values are increasing as x value increasing. Okay, now put x equal to 3. It becomes 2 cube, means its value is 8. So, now substitute for x equal to negative values. Okay, put x equal to minus 1. Then 2 to the power of minus 1 means it becomes 1 by 2. Its value 0.5. So put x equal to minus 2. Then what is the value of 2 to the power of minus 2? It becomes 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Its value is 0.25. So take one more value, x equal to minus 3. Then 2 to the power x means 2 to the power of minus 3. It becomes 1 by 2 cube means 1 by 8. If you divide 1 with 8, the answer is 0.125. So if you write x equal to minus 4, then also we are not getting 0. Means 2 to the power of minus 4, that is 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is equals to, if you divide 1 with 16, you will get 0.0625. Means there is no value of x for which 2 to the power x equal to 0. So there is no value is there. If you substitute here, we are not getting 0. That means log 0 base 2 does not exist. In case of logarithms, log 0 value log 0 value does not exist. Okay, it is the answer. So log 0 for any base, not only 2. If you take any base, so the log 0 value does not exist. Now comes to third sum. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y if it is given that x equal to log 3 base 2, y is equals to log 5 base 2. You have to write in terms of x and y, where x is log 3 base 2 and y is log 5 base 2. Okay. In this first bit is log 15 base 2. So you have to express this value in terms of x and y. How? So I am writing 15 as 3 into 5. Okay, 15 as 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15. So basing on log xy formula, it is log 3 plus log 5. So what are the bases there? So say write as it is. So log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. So what has given log 3 base 2 is equals to x, log 5 base 2 is equals to y. So simply put for log 3 is equal to x, log 5 is equal to y. Now log 15 base 2 value is x plus y. Okay. So look at the second question, second bit. Log 7.5 base 2. Log 7.5 base 2. We have to evaluate this in terms of x and y. So that means I am writing 7.5 as 15 by 2. Okay. 7.5 is half of 15. Okay. So now by using log x by y formula, it is log 15 minus log 2. So what is the need of writing like this? Means you have only for log 3 is equal to x, for log 5 is equal to y. You have to convert into log 3 and log 5. Then only you can replace for this with x and for this with y. Now, just now we have written 15 is equal to 3 into 5. And its value is, come on tell me, its value is 1. Why log 2 base 2? So logarithm of any number, the same base equal to 1. So here expand log xy as per xy formula. So log xy is equal to log x plus log y. So log 3 plus log 5 minus log 2 base 2. So log 3 is equal to x, log 5 is equal to y. He has given. So simply replace. Now the answer will be, for this x we are writing x, for this we are writing y. X plus y, its value is 1. So log 7.5 base 2 is equals to x plus y minus 1. Okay, are you getting? Now, fourth question, expand the following. Expand the following. So he has given log 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 means 10 to the power of 4. So basing on the power rule, so it is 4 into log 10. What is log 10 value? 1. Simply the answer of this question is 4. Okay. So log 10,000 is equals to, we have written log 10 to the power of 4. So basing on this formula, 4 into log 10. Log 10 value we know that is 1. So 4 into 1, 4. Next, second question is log 128 by 625. So whenever you see fraction, so you have to remind the formula log x by y formula. So log 128 by 625 means log 128 minus log 625. So you have to write the prime factorization of 125, 128 and 625 as like this. So we know all these. 128 is 2 to the power of 7 and 625 is 5 to the power of 4. We have solved this type of problems in the earlier classes. So very easily we can write as prime factorization. So 128 is equals to 2 to the power of 7. 625 is equals to 5 to the power of 4. Right here. For 128 is equals to 2 to the power of 7. For 625 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. So basing on log x to the power of n power rule formula, it is n into log x base a. So it becomes 7 into log 2. This is 4 into log 5. That is the answer. Very simple. So this type of questions may come for 1 mark or 2 marks or in part B, that is bit paper. Look at the third bit in fourth sum. Log x square y cube z to the power of 4. You have to expand this one. So actually till now we have seen log xy formula. If one more variable is there, the formula will be log x plus log y plus log z. So log xyz formula is log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. If you have 2 or 3 variables more, so you have to extend same as like this. Okay. So basing on this, log x square y cube z to the power of 4 is equals to log x square plus log y cube plus log z square. 3 variables are there. Write as summation of each variable's logarithm. Log x square plus log y cube plus log z to the power of 4. Now, basing on the power rule formula, it will be 2 log x, 3 log y, 4 log z. So always I am telling you should write the formula, whatever you are applying, whatever you are using in every problem in the examination. While solving in the problems in the examination, you have to write the formula compulsory. Okay. So in this way you have to solve like this. So fifth question is, if x square plus y square is equals 25xy, then prove that 2 into log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So this is a 4 mark question. Twice came in the examination. So listen carefully. So he has given x square plus y square is equal to 25xy. What you should prove? 2 into log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. You have to show this one. So what I am doing is add 2xy both the sides. Add 2xy both the sides. Now it becomes x square plus y square plus 2xy. Yeah, already 25xy is there. Just we are adding 2xy. Now it becomes, it is in the form of x plus y whole square formula, a plus b whole square formula. So it is x plus y whole square. So 25xy, 2xy. So if you add, it is 27xy. It is 27xy. Okay. Now take logarithms both the sides. Now log x plus y whole square is equals to log 27xy. Log 27xy. Basing on the power rule formula, the power comes as product of this logarithm. So 2 into log x plus y is equals to, here you have three variables, 27 x y. Of course 27 is constant, so it becomes log 27 plus log x plus log y. Okay, this is the required proof. So 2 into log x plus y is equals to log 27 plus log x plus log y. So here log 27 not there. So 3 log 3 is there. So write 27 as 3 cube. 27 as 3 cube. So keep remaining two terms same as it is. So basing on power rule, what you can write? It is log 3 cube means 3 into log 3 plus log x plus log y. It is our required solution. So it is a 4 marks question. So remind one thing, if your minus is there, you have to subtract 2xy. If your plus there, we have to add. So whatever he gives, simply we have to convert into a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. Basing on, we have to follow the remaining steps. Okay, this is the fifth sum. Look at sixth question. If log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into bracket log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. X by y plus y by x. So you have to simplify, you have to do how to, you have to find the value of this one. So look at here how I am doing. So log x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. So log x plus log y is, we can write as log xy. It is a standard formula. So log x plus log y means you may write as log xy. Next step is, so 1 by 2 is, comes to here basing on the power formula, it becomes to the power of xy. So 1 by 2 into log xy, you may write as log xy to the power of 1 by 2. Now cancel logarithm both the sides. So here and here you cancel logarithm. So now implies x plus y by 3 is equals to, x plus y by 3 is equals to xy to the power of 1 by 2. Now if by 3 moves to that side, so that becomes 3 into root xy. 1 by 2 is, if you write in the radical form, now it is 3 into root xy. So x plus y is equals to 3 into root xy. Now squaring on both the sides. So that becomes x plus y whole square is equals to 3 into root xy whole square. So in order to get x by y plus y by x value, we are squaring on the both sides. So x plus y whole square means we know a plus b whole square formula. Basing on that, expand like this, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 3 square means 9. This root and square will get cancelled. So its value is 9xy. Okay, 9xy. Now send 2xy to right side because they are like terms. So send aside. Now x square plus y square is equals to 9xy minus 2xy. So that is 7xy. 9xy minus 2xy means we get 7xy. So we need x by y plus y by x value means divide with xy sides. Both the sides divide with xy. So now look at here, x square plus y square by xy. The right side 7xy by xy. So the xy will get cancelled. Here I am separating these two terms, means I am writing denominator individually for x square and for y square. So x square by xy and y square by xy. So here square and x will get cancelled, and here also square and y will get cancelled. So x by y and y by x will be remaining part. So x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. So this is our required answer. Okay. So in this way, you have to apply the suitable formulas. Only 3 formulas we have in the logarithms. So to get the answer, so we need to apply suitable formulas and solve like this. Okay. Now comes to 7th one. From 5th to 8th sums. So in exercise 1.5, they are all 4 marks questions, bit of big. So now look at this sum. So he has given 2.3 to the power of x is equals to 0.23 to the power of y is equals to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So look at the question once again. 2.3 to the power of x is equals to 0.23 to the power of y is equals to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay. So how to solve this one? Okay, I tell you. First of all, 2.3 to the power x to the power of x is equals to 0.23 to the power of y is equal to 1000. So now take only one part. 2.3 to the power of x is equal to 1000. All these three are equal. So I am taking 2.3 to the power of x equal to 1000. Okay. So what I am doing? So by removing this decimal, 2.3 becomes 23 by 10 to the power of x. Okay, for point we will put 1, and for 1 digit we will put 0. After removing this point, it becomes 23. We will write in the numerator. So by 10. So 23 by 10 to the power of x is equal. I am writing 1000 as 10 cube. Okay. Now take logarithms both the sides. So take logarithms both the sides. Now log 23 by 10 to the power of x is equals to log 10 cube. Now basing on the power rule formula, it is now x into log 23 by 10 is equals to, so the cube is there, so it is now 3 into log 10. 3 into log 10. Okay. Now x into log 23 by 10 means log x by y formula. Quotient rule we have discussed. So basing on x by y formula, it is now log 23 minus log 10. That is equals to 3 into, what is the value of log 10? 1. So x into log 23 minus log 10 is equals to 3 into 1. Now x into log 23 minus log 10 is equals to 3 into 1. And we know log 10 value is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. So we require 1 by x, we need to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So I am sending this remaining part to other side. So x is equals to 3 by log 23 minus log 1. It is in the form of into here. It moves to other side, it becomes by. So x equal to 3 by log 23 minus 1. Okay. Now we require 1 by x value. So the reciprocal of this one is 1 by x is equals to, if you write the reciprocal of this one, it is now log 23 minus 1 by 3. Actually x equal to 3 by log 23 minus 1. But we need a 1 by x value. So we are reversing, interchanging both numerator and denominator. So 1 by x is equals log 23 minus 1 by 3. So take this as equation number 1. In the same way, you have to find the value of 1 by y. How? Look at here, 0.23 to the power of y is equals to 1000. Okay. So next step, what is the next step? You have to write the fraction form of this one. This becomes 23 by 100 to the power of y. I am writing 1000 as 10 cube. So 0.23 means if you remove this is the point, write the remaining digits in the numerator, that is 23, by for point put 1 and for 2 digits put 2 zeros. 23 by 100 to the power of y is equals to 10 cube. So take logarithms both the sides. You have to take the logarithms both the sides. Now log 23 by 100 to the power of y is equals to log 10 cube. Okay. So basing on the power rule, the power y comes here. So y into log 23 by 100 is equals to, it is now 3 into log 10. 10 cube means 3 into log 10. Okay, here log 23 by 100 means you have to apply the formula log x by y formula. Now it is y into log 23 minus log 100. So I am writing 100 as 10 square is equals to 3 into log 1. Okay. Now y into log 23 minus log 10 square means that is 2 into log 10 is equals to, it is 3. So y into log 23 minus, we know log 10 value is 1. So it is 2 into 1 is equals to y into log 23 minus 2 into 1, 2. So in order to find 1 by x minus 1 by y value, so from here collect 1 by y value. So means send this log 23 minus 2 to other side. Now that becomes y is equals 3 by log 23 minus 2. Log 23 minus 2. So we require 1 by value. So the reciprocal of this is 1 by y is equals to log 23 minus 2 by 3. Simply interchange the numerator and denominator. So it becomes numerator, it becomes denominator. So 1 by y value will be log 23 minus 2 by 3. So name this as equation number 2. What is equation number 1? 1 by x value we have find. Now from equation 2 we are getting 1 by y value. So equation 1 minus equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Okay. Now log 23 minus 1 by 3. This is 1 by x value. This is 1 by y value. Okay. Log 23 minus 1 by 3, log 23 minus 2 by 3. So both denominators are equal. So write 1. So log 23 minus 1 as it is. Here minus is there. So this minus will be multiplied into inside. So that becomes minus log 23 minus to minus plus, that becomes 2. So minus log 23 and plus log 23, they will get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So it is become bit of lengthy. So practice twice, thrice. Okay. Then only you can do. And in the examination, same questions will not appear. Few changes. So you have to get ready for that one. So this is the sum. Now Eighth one. This type of problem we solved in examples. So now look at eighth sum. If 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So whenever you see this type of questions, the first step is take logarithms both the sides. Take logarithms both the sides. Now log 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Simply just we put log both the sides. Now it is x plus 1 into log 2. It is 1 minus x into log 3. Basing on the power rule formula. Log x to the power of n means here the power is x plus 1. Here the power is 1 minus x. Those come in front of log 2. It comes in front of log 3. Okay. X plus 1 into log 2. 1 minus x into log 3. So multiply log 2 inside and log 3 inside. Now that is x into log 2 plus 1 into log 2 means log 2 is equals to 1 into log 3 minus x log 3. Okay, so here you need to find the value of x means take one side, these x terms. Here is their x and here is their x. So bring x log 3 to left side. Already x into log 2 is there in the left side. So it comes to left side, it becomes plus x log 3. So send log 2 to that side. Already log 3 is there. If it moves to other side, it becomes minus log 2. So in this, take x common. If you take x common, so x into log 2 plus log 3 is equals to log x by y formula. It is log 3 by 2. So we require x value. So log 2 plus log 3 means it is log 2 into 3. Basing on log x plus log y formula. It is now log 6. So finally x value is x into log 6 is equal to log 3 by 2. X equal to log 3 by 2 by log 6. In this way you have to solve. Now all these are 4 marks questions. Okay, finally we move to last question in this chapter. Okay, that is ninth one. So is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So our question is, we know 2 is rational. What about log 2? Rational or irrational? You have to say the answer. Okay, just we will see. So I am taking log 2 value as I am assuming as with x. So base is not given. So for common algorithms, the base is 10. So I am taking 10. So log 2 base 10 is equal to x. So write the exponential form. Simply it becomes 10 to the power of x is equals to 2. 10 to the power of x equal to 2. Means what is the value if you have put for x equal to, that becomes 10 to the power of x equal to 2. So actually there is no value of x for which 10 to the power of x equal to 2. Because if you put for x equal to 0, 10 to the power of 0 equal to 1. If you put for 1 at x equal to 1, that becomes 10 to the power of 10. So 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10, 10 square is equal to 100 and so on. Means if you put for x is equal to negative values, minus 1, minus 2. So if you put for x equal to minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1, that is 0.1. For x equal to minus 2, 0.01. So and so on. So that's why log 2 is irrational. Log 2 is irrational. Now, final bit. So is log 100 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Log 100. So log 100 means base is not given, so it is in common logarithm. So base is 10. So log 100 base 10. So we can find this value of this one. I am writing 100 as 10 square. 100 as 10 square. So it is 2 into log 10 base 10. 2 into log 10 base 10. Okay. So its value is 1. Why? The logarithm of a number with the same base is 1. So its value is 2. Means log 100 value is 2. Clearly, it is a rational number. Okay. So with this, our exercise 1.5, all the sums I have taught with you, and if any sums I left, you have to practice to do the remaining sums. With this, our first chapter has completed. So in this process, I am a big thanks to Gunda Venkateshwarlu sir and Muva Prasad sir, Kaitagon Srini sir, and Guru Murthy sir. So I am very thankful to all these guys, all these sirs, who have supported me for successful completion of my session. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Ashok sir.
Sir.